Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're showcasing the top 5 best RC cars of 2025 on AliExpress that truly stand out for their exceptional quality and performance. This list has been carefully curated, considering key factors like popularity, performance, affordability, durability, and user feedback. For more details about these amazing RC cars, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest reviews. Now, let's dive in and discover these top-performing RC cars. Number 1. 11670 Camaro or 50 4WD RC car. Get ready for non-stop action with the 1601 Pro 4WD RC car, a high-speed monster truck designed for speed enthusiasts and hobbyists. With a top speed of 70 km/h, this remote control car guarantees adrenaline-packed drifts and off-road adventures. Featuring a durable metal and plastic body, LED lights, and a powerful lithium battery, it ensures up to 15 minutes of intense play. Equipped with a 120-meter remote distance, 4-channel control, and Mode 2 controller, it's perfect for both beginners and pros. Includes original box, charger, remote controller, and USB cable for convenience. Ideal for kids aged 14+, it's a strong competitor against the WL Toys 44401. Experience unmatched performance, precision, and durability in this compact 1/16 scale beast. Number 2. 4WD Remote Control Car. Unleash the ultimate off-road adventure with the 4WD Remote Control Car. This high-speed buggy reaches thrilling speeds of 50 to 80 km/h, powered by a brushless motor for top-notch performance. Built tough with durable metal and plastic materials, it's perfect for drifting, racing, or tackling rugged terrains. This 1/16 scale RC car comes fully equipped with a 7.4-volt lithium battery, USB charger, remote controller, and operating instructions, making it ready to go right out of the box. Enjoy seamless control with its 100-meter remote range and a 15 to 20-minute playtime. Looking for the perfect gift? Its 100% flawless gift box and optional 2-battery package make it an unforgettable present for kids and adults alike. Conquer every terrain today. Number 3. Remote Control Drift Car. Introducing the Remote Control Drift Car, the ultimate racing car for RC enthusiasts. Designed with precision and packed with features, this high-speed drift car guarantees non-stop fun for users aged 14 and above. Equipped with a 2.4G radio system, it ensures stable and responsive control within a range of 30 to 50 meters. The car's durable plastic and PVC build, along with a powerful lithium battery, delivers long-lasting performance. Its sleek 20-centimeter design and haze blue color make it visually striking, while the included operating instructions and original box make it an excellent gift. Ready to go straight out of the box, this CE-certified drift car combines speed, style, and convenience for an exhilarating racing experience. Number 4. Skymaker LDT99 118 RC Drifting Car. Discover the ultimate thrill with the Skymaker LD1899 18 RC Drifting Car GTR R34. This 2.4 GHz remote-controlled racing car comes with a robust alloy body shell, gyroscope for enhanced drifting stability, and a powerful lithium battery, delivering up to 30 minutes of high-speed fun. Its realistic design, certified quality, and ready-to-go assembly make it perfect for RC enthusiasts aged 14+. With a remote distance of over 20 meters, precise throttle and steering control, and dual controller modes, it's built for racing excitement. The package includes everything you need: the car, controller, batteries, USB charger, and manual. A great gift idea for racing fans, this car guarantees unforgettable on-road action. Stay tuned for an in-depth review. Number 5. AE86 1/16 Racing Drift Car. Experience the thrill of high-speed drifting with the AE86 1/16 Racing Drift RC car. This 4WD electric sports vehicle is perfect for kids and enthusiasts aged 6 and up. Equipped with a 2.4G remote control, it ensures precise handling with a 30-meter range. The car features a sleek, durable design, 12-centimeter tire track, and a 26-centimeter wheelbase for stability during sharp turns and drifts. With a lithium battery, enjoy up to 30 minutes of action-packed playtime. The package includes everything you need: batteries, charger, USB cable, and more. Its compact dimensions, 28 by 14.8 centimeters, make it ideal for indoor and outdoor fun. A perfect gift for racing fans, this CE-certified drift car guarantees endless excitement. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.